Sieto, Yamia do me, Fiada Ebe, and Penifo Betuncunya, Ajana quite fe, ye via, ye di soloku a more dinny and a air shishaso, nature solukua, a boo abrewapuma, and a air shishaso.
Guys, this is so sad in the country that someone like this can come in. I mean, how can you do this? This is innocent lives that you have killed. And look at the way, I mean, it's a bush. Even if you are getting an accident, you can take it to a bush or something. But Charlie, into this road here, it's very bad. It's very bad for the country. And I don't know how people were still standing when they saw the car coming. This is our village people, Charlie. You guys need to be very, very conscious of some of the activities that you indulge in, because life is only once. You only live once, okay? Well, look at, this is so bad. This is so bad. Guys, this is so bad. So let me know your comments in the comment section.